question of whether one screw or two screw connectors can be used on metal-clad or armored cables is addressed. The answer is that there is no requirement in the code that dictates the usage of one over the other. Both one screw and two screw connectors are acceptable for use with both metal-clad and armored cables. To further clarify, metal-clad cable, often referred to as MC cable, consists of insulated conductors encased in a metallic sheath. Armored cable, commonly known as BX cable, also contains insulated conductors within a metallic armor. These cables are used in various electrical installations to provide mechanical protection to the conductors. Connectors are essential components used to terminate these cables at junction boxes, electrical panels, or other equipment. The purpose of the connector is to provide a secure and reliable connection between the cable and the enclosure, ensuring electrical continuity and preventing strain on the conductors. When selecting connectors for metal-clad or armored cables, electricians typically consider several factors, including the cable size, the type of enclosure being used, and the environmental conditions. Connectors are available in various designs, including those with one screw or two screws for tightening the cable within the connector body. The primary function of the screw or screws is to clamp the cable securely, preventing it from pulling out of the connector. The number of screws does not inherently affect the electrical performance of the connector as long as the connection is properly made and the cable is adequately secured. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, is a widely adopted standard for electrical installations in the United States. It provides guidelines and requirements for safe and reliable electrical systems. While the NEC specifies requirements for the installation of metal-clad and armored cables, it does not explicitly mandate the use of one screw or two screw connectors. Therefore, electricians have the flexibility to choose either type of connector based on their preference, the availability of materials, or the specific requirements of the installation. It's important to note that regardless of the type of connector used, proper installation techniques must be followed to ensure a safe and reliable connection. This includes stripping the cable jacket to the correct length, inserting the cable fully into the connector body, and tightening the screw or screws to the appropriate torque. Over-tightening can damage the cable or connector, while under-tightening can result in a loose connection. In addition to the number of screws, connectors may also have other features, such as insulated throats or bonding means. Insulated throats provide additional protection to the conductors as they enter the connector, preventing abrasion or damage. Bonding means ensure electrical continuity between the cable armor and the enclosure, providing a path for fault current to flow back to the source. When selecting connectors, it's important to choose those that are listed and labeled by a recognized testing laboratory, such as Underwriters Laboratories or UL. This indicates that the connector has been tested and meets the applicable safety standards. Listed connectors are designed to perform safely and reliably when installed according to the manufacturer's instructions. In summary, the NEC does not specify whether one screw or two screw connectors must be used on metal-clad or armored cables. Electricians can use either type of connector as long as it is properly installed and meets the requirements of the installation. Proper installation techniques are crucial for ensuring a safe and reliable connection. The choice between one screw and two screw connectors often comes down to personal preference or the specific requirements of the job. Both types can provide a secure and reliable connection when properly installed. Always refer to the manufacturer's instructions and the NEC for guidance on selecting and installing connectors for metal-clad and armored cables.